Hey guys. So I am here to do just a quick little review with you. I've selected a few problems from your review worksheet that I posted earlier, and you should already have the key, so hopefully you've done most of it, but just in case you were struggling on a couple problems, I picked some of the harder ones to do. Just warning, in the background you were probably going to hear a lot of baby noises because I'm sitting here with my son, 3 months old. There he is. He's been, quote, talking a lot, so he's making a lot of little noises. So don't be alarmed. It's just a little baby. All right. I'm going to start with number 3. This just says to find the derivative using the power rule. So this is really just a quick warm-up. Remember, we take our power, drop it down, and multiply. So that's going to give me 10x, and then we subtract 1 from the power. So that's going to be x to the first. Linear terms, the x goes away, but the coefficient in front stays, and constants go away altogether. So this answer is just 10x minus 1. Okay, that's just kind of to warm you up. Reminder, constants go away, but we gotta write something there. They technically actually go to 0. So if the problem is just the number, the derivative is 0. Okay, you could write your answer like this. You could write f prime of x equals, I'm gonna be pretty laid back on the quiz. Number 6, we're getting a little bit harder here with some negative exponents and also some radicals. So I would rewrite this first. Instead of square root of x, rewrite it as x to the 1/2. It's going to make it a lot easier. And now power rule, x to the first, the linear part goes away, so that's just a 5. Drop down the 1/2. 2 times a half is just 1, x. And then remember, guys, we have to subtract 1. Okay? 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2. So that's why this power goes to negative 1/2. Drop down the negative 3, so that's negative 12. X, negative 3 minus 1 goes to negative 4. I always think of a number line and going to the left on the number line. And the 2 goes away, so that's my answer. Okay, so 5 minus x to the negative 1/2 and minus 12x to the negative 4th. Yeah, it's fun, right? Okay, number 8. It says find the slope of the line tangent. Okay, slope always means find the derivative and plug in a number. That's always what slope means. So that's what I'm going to do. Drop down 5/3 times 3 is just 5, x squared, 1/6, so 2 over 6 reduces to 1/3 x, and then plus 1/3. And that's the derivative, so that's f prime of x. And we want the slope at x equals 1. That's funny, isn't it? So what I'm going to do is take the 1 and I'm going to plug it into the derivative to find the slope. So 5 times 1 squared minus 1/3 times 1 plus 1/3. So 1 squared is 1 times 5 is 5 minus 1/3 plus 1/3. So it's kind of nice, these 1/3s cancel, and I get 5. So the slope we always use an M for, the slope would be 5. What if I'm given a slope? This wants me to find the coordinate points. Okay, so this time I'm given a slope. Once again, if I see the word slope, I should be finding a derivative. So if you don't know what else to do, at least start by finding the derivative. Drop down the 2. 2 times 4 is 8. X to the first minus 1, and this 1 goes away. There's my derivative. And remember, a derivative gives me a slope. So if I'm already given a slope, I'm going to set it equal to the derivative. And then I'm going to get x by itself. What this will do is it'll give me the x coordinate of the point in which the slope is 7. So let's add over 1. We get 8 equals 8x, and divide the 8, so x is 1. So this is the x value in which the slope of 7 occurs. I just need to find the y value. When I'm finding a y value from a function, I have to plug back into the original function. I'm only plugging into the derivative if I'm finding a slope. I want to find the legit point, so I'm going to plug into f of x. So I like to write it like this. F of 1, meaning I'm going to take my original function and plug in 1, is going to be 4x squared, so 4 times 1 squared minus 1 plus 1. 1 squared is 1 times 4 is 4 minus 1 plus 1. These ones cancel, and I get 4. So my final answer is the coordinate point. My x value 1, my y value is 4. Ta-da! Okay, and last problem I'm going to do with you guys is number 11. This one says write the equation of the line tangent to the graph at x equals 3. The one before this is very similar, but it gives me the legit point. This one, I have to find the y value of the actual point. Remember, when I'm trying to find a y value of a point, I plug into the original function, okay? So negative 2 times negative 3 to the 4th minus 3 times negative 3 to the 3rd plus negative 3 and then minus 2. Now I could do a lot of this in my head, or I can go to my calculator and just type in, this is a new app, this TI app. You have it on your calculator. You can just type it right into your calculator, okay? Why do all this extra work? So I'm going to type in negative 2 parentheses negative 3 to the 4th. So negative 2 parentheses negative 3 raised to the 4th power. So I'm just typing it in exactly the way I see it. Minus 3 parentheses negative 3. Oopsies. Let me back that up. Okay, so how do I delete on this? There we go. Instead of a negative, I should do a minus, and then it's 3 parentheses negative 3 to the 3rd. And then, sorry guys, I wish I could memorize this easier, plus negative 3 minus 2, plus parentheses negative 3, and then minus 2. Okay, so I'm getting negative 86. Negative 86. Oh, Dean does not like that. Okay, it's okay. So what this means is the point that I'm going to use is negative 3, negative 86. Okay, don't freak out that it's a huge number. Who cares? Okay, still works. Now to find the slope, so that's the point of the line. Now I need to find the slope of the line. To find the slope, I'm always taking a derivative. So that's going to be negative 8x cubed minus 9x squared plus 1. And to find the actual slope, I'm going to plug in the x value to the derivative. So f prime of negative 3 is negative 8. I'm so sorry about these noises, you guys. I'm on mommy duty right now. Okay, and I'm going to just plug that into my calculator. It's okay. Okay, negative 8 times negative 3 cubed minus 9 times negative 3 squared and plus 1. Again, I might get a ridiculous number, and I do, 136. That seems like a crazy slope. Really? Now we're going to be weird? Oh. Oh my God, don't tell me. Don't tell me. Oh, good. Hey, you're fine. I'm almost done. That's my slope. So now all I have to do is write the equation of the line. I got a point, I got my slope. Point slope form goes like this. Y plus, or minus the y value, minus a negative is plus, so y plus 86 equals my slope. And then x minus negative 3, which is plus 3. And you could just leave it like this. Oh my goodness, that's all. Sorry about the baby noises. That was kind of a mess, but I'm not going to re-record, so it is what it is. Guys, hopefully this helps. You're so close. You got one more quiz left, and we're good to go. So that's all. All right, bye.